Alright, beautiful people, how we doing today? Pit bulls and everybody else in the world. So I wanted to make a quick video on volume profiles because I saw a lot of idiots do a lot of dumb stuff with Bed Bath & Beyond, and volume profiles are one of the reasons. Squat coming through, sorry. Volume profiles probably would have made people make a lot better decisions as opposed to holding too long. So the first time we got in BBBOI was right around $12 because you see on the right here these they're like a graph, but it's going sideways. So it's like your bar graphs sideways, and it's showing you where the highest levels of volume are. So in this case with BBBOI, it's going to be 11.26 and right around 18 bucks. All right, so when it's breaking over 11.26, that's right around when we're going to enter. Now, this is not a tell-all. This is not perfect. Also, you want to check different time frames as well. However, it's pretty accurate in being able to. I can't get this thing up on the screen, right? I'm not a TradingView expert here. I'm just learning TradingView and getting used to it. It's not my typical charting tool. But anyways, you can see on the 5 minute, or on the 15 minute rather, nice little volume floor at 11.26. So when it broke above 11.26 and 12, you see there's literally barely any volume between 12 and 18. We're getting in there, and as it's approaching 18, we're watching the tape, we're watching the time of sales, we're watching the order book, we're watching the options flow, we're watching the algorithms, and based on all of those things put together, we're making a decision. But just looking at this volume profile, I can tell you that once it gets over 1150, we should see very little resistance. And the volume profile you'll see also matches the chart. So you'll see when it dropped from 18 to 12, it didn't gap down, but it dropped very quick. Might have even been after hours, but it dropped real fast and with very little volume to actually cause it to drop, which tells us that there's very little resistance in there. So once we break 12, we're headed higher. Let me just do this with a different name because it's kind of a wonky name anyways, but Saba's perfect too. So you'll see Saba, great volume floor where we're at here at 25.76. Right now it's at 24.50. So just seeing this volume profile alone, even though there's a buy signal for this indicator here, even though the no sure thing indicator down here is consolidating and possibly ready to break out, even though other things line up, I see that volume profile and I see that 25.76 there is going to give us some problems, which it has many times now. And then I also see, like, when it rips up here to the 30s, higher 30s, that it's getting a lot less volume. So I'm gonna probably be taking my profits pretty fast on this one, maybe even as we approach higher 20s. I actually just ran this as a spread. So this is another way you can set up your spread. So I ran this as a $26 spread. When it broke over 26, I bought the $26 calls. It ran up to $33, and when it did that, I sold the $30 calls. So I was holding a 26.30 spread. Dropped back to 25 now. Took profits on the short side. Hopefully it'll bounce up and I'll take profits on the long side. Either way, I made my money back just on the short side, so I'm happy and good to go. So yeah, that's how I use the volume profile in trading. It's just another reference point. It's just another tool in your toolbox. None of these are perfect. None of these are guaranteed money or anything like that, but it's definitely helpful if you're having trouble knowing when to take profits. If you're having trouble knowing when to enter a trade, volume profiles should help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for me, please. I'm going to keep dropping these videos. If there's anything that you guys want to see a video on or interested in, have questions on, drop it in the comments below. Smack the like button, smack the subscribe button, share it for me, do anything you can for me. Trying to get over 1,000 subs. I'm at like 889 or something crazy, so not far away. Help me out here. I appreciate it.